In the installation process, you measure and lay down the EkonoRack feet on the roof using spacer sticks. Once the EkonoRack feet have been laid on the roof, place the ballast blocks on the EkonoRack support section using the detailed ballast drawings provided by KB Racking. The solar panel is then placed on 4 of the EkonoRack feet and secured with our ETL certified grounding clamps. We provide custom end blocks to fix at the end of each row for proper support on the clamps. Once the modules are in place, begin cabling the system. String cables can be fixed to the EkonoRack support using the pre-drilled holes. KB Racking also offers integrated wire management solutions that provide maximum protection against the elements. To finish the installation, mount the windshields on the back side of the panel using 2 self-drilling screws on each side. Due to the EkonoRack's ETL certification, the entire array only needs to be grounded in one place. This saves our customers roughly 3 to 4 cents per watt on installation. After surveying a number of our recent projects, we found that the EkonoRack can be installed up to 3 to 4 kilowatts per man-hour, one of the fastest installation speeds in the industry.